Hello again. Today we're looking at the present perfect, how it works, when to use it, and how not to mix it up with the past simple. The form is easy, have or has plus the past participle. So for example, I've been to Romania. He's scored 3 goals this season. They've finished. It's the same structure every time. First use, life experience. This is when something has happened at some point in your life, but we don't say when. The when doesn't matter. It's not important. I've lived in Edinburgh. She's won lots of competitions. We're not mentioning any time. The experience itself is the point. If we mention time, it's past simple. Next use, something happened in the past, but the result is important now. I've lost my keys. The losing happened before, the problem is now. I don't have my keys. He's cut his finger. Same idea here. The past action has a result in the present. Third use, unfinished time. Something started in the past and is still true now. I've lived here for 4 years. I started living here 4 years ago. I still live here. She's worked here since 2019. She started then, she continues now. To talk about unfinished time, we use for and since. For is with duration, and since, the starting point, or when something began. To put that into context, I've lived here for 4 years, or I've lived here since 2021. I've been a teacher for a long time, or I've been a teacher since 2006. Take a screenshot of the next slide. This is a reference sheet for later. Now, 3 really useful words. Just, very recently. I've just finished. Already, earlier than expected, before now. She's already eaten. And yet, expected. Have you finished yet? Or it's not done. I haven't finished yet. Notice, yet it's only used in negatives and questions. So, here's the big difference. Present perfect, the time is open, it's not finished, it's got a connection to now. Past simple, time is finished, or there's a specific time. So, I've seen that film. Time isn't mentioned here, it's just part of my experience. I saw that film last week. Last week is a finished time, so we use past simple. Same here, we've visited Madrid many times, open experience. We've visited Madrid in 2021. Finished time. Past simple. Quick screenshot moment again here, just a reference for later. So, the whole thing is pretty easy. Present perfect, time is unfinished, connected to now. Past simple, time is finished. Now, what's wrong with these following sentences? They're common mistakes made by English learners. I've lived here since 3 years. Problem, since can't be used with a duration. So we say, I've lived here for 3 years. I've seen that movie yesterday. Yesterday is a finished time, so I saw that movie yesterday. We've lived here since 3 years ago. Same issue, since needs a starting point. So we've lived here since 2022, or we've lived here for 3 years. She's gone to the beach last weekend. Last weekend is finished. She went to the beach last weekend. That's it. Just remember, if the time is finished, past simple. If the time is connected to now, present perfect. Thanks for watching.